Hi, I'm Meredith Huck, owner and principal designer at House of Huck. We are in the dining room of our Eastern renovation project, and what many of you don't know is this dining room used to be a living room, and it just didn't quite work for our clients who are an active family of 4. So we went ahead and curated a custom walnut dining table for them. They need the space, whether it be for special occasions or holidays, for some more people, so we also added a custom table extension. We went with a beautiful dark charcoal accent wall to really break up the monotony of the white walls, the white brick, and just add some fun and texture into the space. And lastly, one of my favorite pieces is this mid-century modern sconce. It has an antique brass finish, glass sconce over here, and it is just the perfect finish to